Have you ever had a bit of code, or even a whole solution, written in C# that you wanted to convert to Synergy DBL? Synergy in Visual Studio has just the tool for you. Let's check it out. While you're in a Visual Studio solution, click on Tools, and you'll see the C# to DBL code converter and the C# to DBL solution converter. You can use both of these tools to convert your C# code into Synergy DBL. Here, you can quickly write out or copy and paste some C# code. When your code is added, select File, Convert C# to DBL. Voila! You now have a snippet of DBL code that you can copy into your project. Note that the code you enter must be complete and compilable in order to convert. You can't convert just a variable declaration, for example. Also note that just because the code converts doesn't mean it will compile in DBL 100% of the time. To demonstrate, we'll look at the C# to DBL solution converter. We're going to convert this solution here, which is a calculator app downloaded from the sample section of the Microsoft Developer Network website. If we run the code, you'll see that it's just a simple calculator. So, let's open Tools, C# to DBL Solution Converter. From here, select File, Open Solution. Then, navigate to and select the C# solution you want to convert. Once you've done that, select the Output folder where you want to save the solution. Right now, we'll stick with the default location. Then, we just click this green arrow to convert the solution. Now we can go ahead and open our new solution. If we try to build our solution, you'll see that unfortunately we get a few errors. But with a little elbow grease, we should be able to clear these right up. Let's dive into these bad CPath errors. The syntax to convert these variables into strings seems slightly incorrect. So let's just switch toString to %string and try another build. Looks like we still have some invalid program entry errors, so let's take a look. The assembly call is being split onto several different lines, which DBL doesn't like very much. So we'll quickly combine them onto one line for now, and worry about cleaning up the comments another time. Okay, let's try another build. And it's succeeded! We'll click Start, and look! Our C# calculator app is now running on Synergy. So now you've seen how you can use the C# to DBL code converter and the C# to DBL solution converter. These are just two of the many useful features available as part of the Synergy DBL integration for Visual Studio. Find out more in the Synergy DE documentation.